Hi, I am Sagar and I am as busy as every Mumbaikar. Like every time I came to my office in my Ciaz and again today I forgot to get my car service done. Just then I read about online appointment booking and doorstep services provided by NEXA Service Centers of Shivam Autozone. So I booked an online appointment from their website shivamnexa.com. I filled the basic details and since I had to service my car urgently, so I wrote urgent service required in the description. Within 10 minutes, I got a call from Shivam Nexa. They confirmed my car service appointment and the pickup drop associate left from the service center to pick my car. The driver called me as soon as he arrived at my office. I explained my car service requirements to the driver, gave him my car keys and he took photos and inventory of my car. Yes, I was too busy with my office work, also worried about my car service being done properly. But Nexa service staff of Shivam Autozone kept me updated about the work being done on my car and the car cost estimated. The driver brought my car to my office just in a time as committed by them. Voila! The car was well serviced, neat and clean. And they also gave some tips and recommendations to keep my car in a good condition. Once servicing was done, they provided me with multiple payment options, making it easier for me to pay. I had a great experience, efficient and prompt car service. Thank you NEXA Shivam AutoZone for such a time-saving, convenient online options for car servicing.